In this video, I am going to show you how to use Power Bins in Davinci Resolve 18. Here you can see that I have imported a clip on my timeline, and under media pool you can see Power Bin is enabled for me, that is showing up for me. For you, if the Power Bin is not showing up, under media pool itself, under master, simply click on the three dots and click on show Power Bins. The Power Bins will be shown for you. Under Power Bins, I have created a folder. Inside the folder, I have saved some titles. The benefit of using Power Bins is that you can use the titles or video or audio across all projects. It is not only confined to single project. The files which are under Power Bins can be used on any project. It saves a lot of time. Here you can see that I have a clip on my timeline. To add any text or audio or video, you can simply select the Power Bin. Under Power Bin, I will simply drag and drop like this. Here you can see that I have a text animation like this. Similarly, you can use audio and video files across all projects. Let's try to close this project and open a new project and see whether we have the Power Bin files for the new project also. Click on File, click on New Project, click on Create. Here is a new project. I haven't added any clips on my timeline, so I'm going to click on Power Bins, Master. Under that, I have folders. For you, if the folder is not showing up, you can create the folder by right clicking on that and click on New Bin. Like this, you can create folders. As I said, I have saved some animation titles which I can use on my timeline. You can simply drag and drop on the timeline like this. Here you can see that. Let's add one more thing. Here you can see that I have added the logo. So that's it guys. In this way you can use Power Bins in Davinci Resolve 18. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.